Unlock power switch. Vehicle powers on. Release parking brake. Select forward gear. Apply light accelerator pressure. Vehicle advances. Select reverse gear. Reverse camera activates. Apply light accelerator pressure. Vehicle reverses. Press sweeping button. One touch sweeping activated. Sweeping width adjustment button. Adjust sweeping width as required. Activate dust shaking every 30 minutes. Filter self-cleaning. Headlight button. Turn signal button. Water spray button. For dust suppression during operation. Horn button. Warning light button. Front apron lifting pedal. Use when sweeping stones, hands or leaves. Ensure latches fully engage when installing bin. High pressure wash button. One touch activation for mist cannon or pressure washer. Operating precautions. 1. Do not sweep string-like objects. 2. Do not use in rain. Avoid sweeping flooded surfaces. 3. When battery voltage drops below 42 volts, recharge immediately. 4. When using mist dust suppression, ensure ball valve is open. Prevent pump motor overload damage. 5. Perform dust shaking every 15–30 minutes. 6. Deactivate sweeping during dust shaking. 7. Always release parking brake before moving.